manufacturing,
Amma, how will she say?
routing
What's
task,
your name? What?
Routing task. Then click on new
applications
route.
manufacturing routing task,
Click on new routing task. Enter the details of the routing task and click submit button.
routing task name, what
Your
chair,
assembly name you write, not chair. They've written bicycle wheel assembly, so you write
Chair
like
Chair 1000.
it's just the name.
task
Type is
assembly.
assembling,
Description routing task for bicycle wheel.
routing task, option select task for chair,
Fixed asset ID, demo work center.
Put anything and
that.
everything, you just skip it.
estimated setup time,
1000.
To 20 lakhs. No, 2 lakhs.
oh, 2000 I'll put.
3,000.
Unit run time,
3K.
Submit.
okay. Now routing task cost is it what?
The routing task is created. Click on the deliverable product
Okay.
in the top menu. Add the finished product which will be created after the routing task. Your assembly.
Okay.
Click on the fixed asset link. Add the fixed asset details which will be used.
Estimated quantity.
This and break even should production order and break even should over.
Okay.
Click on routing task cost.
3 hours.
Okay. Cost
Enter cost details.
But why I don't know.
materials cost.
Indirect cost. Materials cost. Then
Indirect cost. Down. Okay. Submit.
Then create a routing. Again go to navigate. Go to routing now. Routing. Task is there. No routing up there. Then click in new routing button. Fill in the routing name, description, quantity to produce. Click on submit.
Okay.
They have put it as wheel as RTG.
Okay.
2. Whatever. Submit.
Then
Once the routing is created, associate routing task with the newly created routing. To do this, click on edit routing task in the top menu.
okay. Routing task.
Click on add a existing routing. No, click
Add
on
a
this.
existing routing task.
No, first you have to choose this. From here you come here. Then you put the sequence name. What's your task?
Chair. Where did it go?
Next. Display 20, 30, 200 items per page.
Even this station level is
और सर्च था ना ऊपर में चेयर.
One second.
Display all items per page. No?
Let me see the routing tasks.
so routing and routing test
Chair.
so
I'll create new routing task. And chair. Root. Assembling.
You tell me MRP run on
not production.
this part I don't understand fully. I never get it.
I don't understand why we do that because without that also we can do
Full
purchase.
documentation.
Okay, now deliverable products.
Yeah, Pari did without this one.
10502.
When we did know that day,
So how did we do that day? Order it.
we don't need MRP.
So we did purchase order directly.
Yeah,
Then we went to
take supplier. Not here. That supplier. Whatever supplier you have assigned that.
save. Container
When not ID something like that. Yes. Here you can
10502. Now you go to routing name, share,
Quantity.
So Vishwan's interview is over, right?
Around 105. Because they realized it's mine. So like, what the fuck you call me?
Yeah, even in that job.
Excel sheet with demand for
Okay, now what do we do, Aishwarya, after selecting it?
You got it? How did you get it?
You have to remember the chair ID.
ID number you remember. When you create then you
Routing task. Routing task.
Add existing routing task.
Routing sequence ID is missing.
Is this my purchase order?
The sequence numbers.
No, create order. Then you get PDF.
Routing task association successful. After that,
Now associate the finished product which is going to be produced of the wheel assembly. Click on edit routing product link.
edit. If this is not going, make it go. Edit.
Link, then fill in product ID as cycle wheel assembly continuously.
Okay. Product ID is
Oh yes, give me a flag.
quantity. Red.
So what did you do in the exam that day?
That day we beat around.
Okay, done. Then now,
No. We didn't know
Done.
to choose the subject. But again we got.
Now you can create a production.
how do we do that? That's it.
Quick update you did, no?
Yeah.
Click on the chair 1000.
Yeah, that is the. Here you will change the association now.
No, to create a production sorry. Navigate manufacturing, application manufacturing. Click on job shop link.
Hmm. Create a production run.
Yeah.
Product ID.
Arpita, but I made purchase order without you doing all that.
Yeah, without MRP
I did no.
No, I did without.
No, I
RP run is not
ran the
required.
MRP thing.
After you ran MRP, you did some approved requirement shutdown.
One of them had to do it.
check your
I hope somebody does
Why
it
next time you
today.
don't do?
What is routing ID?
10502.
Morning.
Fucking if I get a refrigerator, you get a chair?
Hey, no need to upload also. Directly you can go to purchase.
I can. Following. Yeah, because Pari did without any of it.
Start it.
Start it.
Or else just go there, upload, submit and come back and go to purchase.
You have to fill 4 of
Next
5 of the details.
Print. Next.
The production details along with materials required is displayed.
Huh.
Click on the materials link in the top menu. But
Okay.
click on confirm button.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್
No, go to material. Okay. Yay.
Printer.
Click on start button, then issue component something else. There.
Start button.
Start. Start.
Ultimately it should show produce one.
Start. Then
Then issue components.
అక్కడనే ఇక్కడ నేను
Then completed it should come down.
అక్కడే
You haven't received the inventory.
Materials not available in warehouse.
Materials not available. See, I told you, no?
Production order.
We didn't
This is what happened to me again.
receive
They never did
inventory.
production.
So during the test we have to do, right?
Did you receive the
Actually, they won't-
inventory?
They
How do
might
you check
ask
if you
whole
did?
production.
Inventory.
వచ్చి సేల్స్ ఆర్డర్ ఈజ్ వెరీ డార్క్
Receive.
How did you do receive inventory and all? Go to
It's
the
written.
catalog
It's given
and
there.
product
It's there.
and their inventory.
Receive
It's
items.
in facility manager.
Shit, purchase order number, you have the PDF.
Huh?
Nothing. Come down. Right quality.
Yeah. Put some quantity and receive.
Put there also 100.
You should not be negative.
Okay, it was successful. No, now go to
Production.
manufacturing job shop. I
Search
already
for
did.
production. Production and ID.
I
Or
don't.
product ID.
Many or not. Nothing guys.
So Sheila, you're going to sit with me and do the whole thing from
Wasn't
beginning.
yours chair?
Again?
No.
Why again?
I have doubt in approved
Now
requirements.
You are doubted?
Approved requirements.
issue components.
Just approve and submit.
Back assembly.
Again receive it. Receive
Back assembly da.
So go to back
Go to
as.
back as.
Sorry. When this book?
Yeah. Haven't received inventory.
And this code.
యాక్షన్
That too, you know, I got to know one more thing. That answers. Mechanical people, they only decided that they are giving one list exams. Still, Coca-Cola didn't decide it's above. Above 8. It's still above 9 according to Coca-Cola.
Yeah, 9.25, not even 9.
Above 9. Above 9.
Yeah. You
First
saw
they
the
kept
mail, the SPC mail you have seen. 9.25.
Hi, I didn't receive inventory for leg assembly now.
See for everything.
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
What the?
Have you seen the career portal where you get to see the jobs on
Don't you think we are in a dire need of
Yeah, except I'm not getting what to do now.
Yeah.
Fucking different than production engineering. What is production?
They have written PI.
You didn't see production.
In the job profile, I saw ISID.
Yeah, the job profile is not mentioned.
PI is there. Then it's okay.
Yeah, production they did tell me. That's why we were like.
Yeah, for then we are doing production.
But you know, SharePoint is ERP actually. SharePoint is ERP. And the only branch they don't have anyone from SharePoint. SharePoint is basically ERP, Google Drive, and cloud combined.
Yeah, but actually it's bad work it seems.
What was it?
Don't tell me.
I think it's better.
I mean, yeah, going is there.
Back as you ordered.
I received
add
inventory
inventory
for
for
everything. Now what do you do?
Issue components. Otherwise,
They're
it won't
done.
get produced.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದೇನೋ
Where? Done.
Issue components
No, but see, you're getting produced 0. It should be produced 1, rejected 0. Come
ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್
up.
ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಮೇಲೆ
Confirm, finish or something. Let's see if it comes.
No. Print you do?
Produce 0, rejected 0.
That's what I got during the
He said produced should be 1. Produced is 1, rejected is 0.
ಎಡಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಬೇರೆ
finish
Okay,
or
just
something. Quick close, do quick close. Will something happen?
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಫ್
Error calling event.
Come down.